I'm so happy to welcome you all to watch this video. I'm going to teach you for Standard 4 ICSE, the subject Social Studies, the lesson 5, the Southern Plateaus and Islands Part 2. Let us recap what we have learned in the first part of this lesson. You may have learnt about the Southern Plateaus, where it located, and the Central Highland, the Deccan Plateau, life in the region, and the following states: Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Telangana, Karnataka, and Maharashtra, and the festivals and the dance and the occupations of these states. Now, let us learn some new words from the lesson. The new words are Narmada. Narmada, Narmada. Narmada. It's the name of the river. And Godavari. 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 It's the longest river in the Deccan Plateau. Panna. 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 It's a place where diamonds are digged. And Telangana. 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 Next, Karnataka. 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 Next, Nilgiris. 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 Next, Ganesh Chaturthi, famous festival of Maharashtra. Ganesh. Ganesh Chaturthi. Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi. Next, pharmaceuticals. Pharmaceuticals, where they make medicines. Pharmaceuticals. Pharmaceuticals. Pitri work. Bidriwork. The famous work in Telangana. Bidriwork. Next, we'll see minerals. 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 Learn the spellings. Next, in this video, we are going to learn the next part of this lesson, the islands. The islands. Introduction. There are many small islands along the coast. Away from the coast, there are two big island groups, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In Tamil, we say Andaman. In English, we should say Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And the next island is Lakshadweep. Now, let us see the location of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It is located in the Bay of Bengal. The 10-degree channel separates the Andaman from the Nicobar Islands. The islands in this group are hilly. The 10-degree channel is a channel that separates the Andaman Islands and Nicobar Islands from each other in the Bay of Bengal. The two sets of islands together form the Union Territory of Andaman Nicobar Islands. This channel is 150 kilometer wide from the north to south and approximately 10 kilometer long from east to west. It has minimum depth of 7.3 meter and lies from east to west on 10-degree lines of latitude north of the equator. You can see in the map the 10-degree channel, how it separates the islands, Nicobar Islands from Andaman. Next, we'll see the occupations. The occupations are fishing and farming. See, you can see in this picture, the people are working, farming. They are plowing the field with a tractor and they grow more. The crop, the famous crop in Andaman is rice and coconuts. You can get more coconuts and arrowroot in Nicobar Islands. Next, let's see. Let's see about Lakshadweep. The main occupation in Lakshadweep, also fishing and farming. And here coconut is the main crop grown here. Next, kayar industry is famous here. They'll make kayar and they'll make sofas and cot, etc. with kayar. And language, what language they'll speak? Mostly Malayalam. In Andaman, they'll speak Bangla. But here in Lakshadweep, they'll speak Malayalam. And the tourist part is Bangaram group of islands attracts many tourists. You can see many coconut trees attracts the people. And next, some people in Andaman, they'll make shells and wooden handicrafts. They'll collect shells from the sea and they'll make beautiful attractive handicraft things with the shells where they collect from the sea and the wood from the trees. They'll make different handicraft things with the wood and the shells they collect from the sea. And next, Lakshadweep, a group of islands which is located in the Arabian Sea. Where it is located? In Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea, it is west part of India. Okay, where the Lakshadweep island is located in the Arabian Sea. Now, let us recall the questions and answers. Let us find answers for the questions which is given in the book. Which hill ranges surround the Central Highlands? Shall I rub the spellings? I am going to teach you the question answer. The first question is, which hill ranges? Question number 1. Which hill ranges surround the Central Highland. Central Highland. The answer is the Aravalli Hills. Aravalli Hills. Next, the Vindhya Range and the Rajmahal Hills surround the Central Highlands. Which hill ranges surround the Central Highlands? The Aravalli Hills, the Vindhya Range and the Rajmahal Hills surround the Central Highlands. Let us see what is next question. List 5 minerals. The minerals found in the list the minerals found in the Southern Plateau. Southern Plateaus. 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 See the answer. Coal. 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 Iron. Ore. Gold. Copper. And diamond. What are the minerals found in the Southern Plateaus? Coal, iron, ore, gold, copper and diamond. Next, we'll see why is mining an important activity in Jharkhand. Shall I wrap these questions? Question 3. Why is mining an important activity in Jharkhand? The answer is mining is an important activity in Jharkhand because the state Jharkhand is rich in minerals such as coal, iron, ore, copper and manganese. Why is mining an important activity in Jharkhand? Mining is an important activity in Jharkhand because the state is rich in minerals such as coal, iron, ore, copper and manganese. Learn the minerals names. Next, we'll see what is the importance of Mumbai High. Question 4. Let us see what is the importance of Mumbai High. The old name for Mumbai, Bombay. Mumbai High. What is the importance of Mumbai High? The answer is the importance of Mumbai High is that this region has large deposits of petroleum in the seabed. Let us read again. What is the importance of Mumbai High? The importance of Mumbai High is that this region has large deposits of petroleum in the seabed. The last question, let us learn the islands, the two group of islands. Which are the two groups of islands? Which are the two island island groups? We have learned now in our country. The two island groups in our country are the Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. Let me repeat again. Which are the two island groups in our country? The two islands groups in our country are the Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. Let us learn this lesson answer by answer. You're going to learn and write in your classwork and send it to me through your WhatsApp. Thank you all. Thank you, children. Have a good day.